Adel. I think it's pretty fitting that we're doing the bill signing here in Adel. Of course, it's a beautiful county seat community with brick streets and everything. It also is the home of the governor 100 years ago. George Washington Clark was a governor from 1913 to 1917. He was a lawyer from here in Adel. He served as Speaker of the House, Lieutenant Governor, and then Governor from 1913 to 1917. He also was now Kennick's maternal grandfather. So I have a bust of Governor Clark right behind my desk. And I love to show this to the kids because he also had a mustache. A mustache 100 years ago. So it's great to be in Adel, and we totally underestimated the turnout we'd get today, but I want to thank all the law enforcement, state and local and first responders and fire and people involved in firefighters from all over the state that have joined us. And I want to thank all of you, and a number of legislators are here that have worked on this for the last several years as well. So I really want to thank all of you. This was no small task to get this done, and I think it's a very significant piece of legislation. So I'm glad you've all joined us here in the city of Adel. And I'd like to say thank you to all of our first responders who have come from all over the state to be here in Dallas County. And I want to especially thank Dallas County for your commitment. So we really see state, county, and cities all working together on this interoperability. I'm going to be signing Senate File 2326. It's an important and significant piece of legislation for several reasons. It's another step towards accomplishing our goal of being a fully interoperable state. The bill provides an additional $4,383,000 in funding towards the statewide interoperable communications system, also known as ISIX. Additionally, this legislation gives the treasurer of the state the authority to enter into long-term financing agreement for building the rest of the statewide radio network. Currently, Iowa ranks near the bottom of the pack in states when it comes to statewide interoperable communications for our first responders. However, with the legislature's commitment, as well as that of the local decision makers, we can make efforts to improve on our capabilities. When an emergency event happens and an Iowan calls 911, they deserve to have first responders that can communicate with each other via their radio system. This bill helps to make this a reality for our state. It is fitting that I'm signing this legislation here today in Dallas County. Dallas County, under the encouragement of Sheriff Chad Leonard and the commitment of the County Board of Supervisors, is in the process of installing a new radio system for all public safety agencies in Dallas County. This system will link into the Iowa statewide interoperable radio system, allowing all Dallas County agencies to connect by radio to all other first responders in the state once they join. We are excited to have law enforcement, EMS, and firefighters from all areas of the state join us and join this ISIX, and we look forward to working with all of you to make these efforts in all the rest of the counties of the state of Iowa, so that we truly have an effective interoperable system. I also want to acknowledge Roxanne Ryan, who's our Commissioner of Public Safety, has just joined us. And I know we have many people from the state, but we have many people from the local jurisdictions as well. So with that, I'll sign the bill. And I didn't bring enough pens, so.